What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to get from this to this. This is just a all red look I did on my client. So if you want to see how I got it, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm starting on just pushing all the hair back from my client's face, and I'm now going in and cleansing her skin. I'm just using a witch hazel toner, and this is just going to get her face ready for makeup. So I'm now just taking some red liquid lipstick, and this is just gonna give her eyebrows a look that her hair is red. And then I'm taking a red eyeshadow, and I'm putting powder on top of that to just set that. Next, I'm taking a deeper eyeshadow from the Lime Crime Venus 1 palette, and that's just going to create depth in the eyebrow. Now I'm taking concealer, and I'm just cleaning up the bottom of her brows. I'm going to pull that concealer all the way down to her lid and then blend. By the way, my boyfriend's in the back because he does his work in there as well as my studio's in there. So now I'm just taking a translucent powder, and I'm putting that all over her lid to create a smooth surface. Same thing with a primer. I'm putting a pore blurring primer on her skin to create a smooth surface. After that, I'm going straight into foundation. I'm using the Graftobian foundation, and I absolutely love this stuff. Literally, it is such full coverage, and it covers everything, and it can also be used as a concealer. And I'm taking a smaller brush just to get into those spaces that the big brush couldn't go into. So now I'm just taking a lighter concealer. It's about a half shade lighter than her complexion. And I'm just putting that all over the places that you would highlight, and this is just going to create more smooth skin. I'm taking a disposable sponge, and I'm just using that to kind of blend out the concealer first. And then next I'm using a beauty blender to blend it out even further. Alright, so I'm taking the Lime Crime palette and a lighter red, and I'm using that to kind of contour her skin and bring color back into her skin again. Once I do that, I'm taking a deeper red, and I'm putting that in the hollows of her cheeks again, and also on her forehead. I took my foundation brush and kind of cleaned up the red that got everywhere, so that can be a little bit more sharper. Now I'm taking that red eyeshadow, and I'm just taking a fluffy brush and basically just buffing that on her lid. And I forgot to set under the eye, so I'm taking that beauty blender and just smoothing out the lines under there and putting translucent powder there. So doing the same thing on the other eye, I'm just buffing that red onto the lid. Alright, so with a smaller fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out the edges, and as well as pick up a different type of red just to bring in some density, or not density, but depth into the look. And now I am putting on some eyeshadow. It's actually a shimmery, pigment. And I'm putting that on, but I realize that it's kind of falling, so next time I know to just put like a base on there or like something sticky to help that stay. Now I am just going to blend out her nose contour that I just put on there. And now I am deepening up the contour with the NYX contour palette, and I'm just taking a brown and lightly deepening the contour that I put on her face. Alright, so now I'm putting on highlighter. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Sweets palette, and I'm putting that all over her face. And I let my client curl their lashes just because I feel like it's more safe, and when I do it I feel like I'm going to hurt them. So I let her do that, and then I'm putting on the lashes right away. I actually did create these lashes with a red liquid lipstick, and with that red liquid lipstick I created a mascara, and also I'm lining her this is going way too fast. I'm lining her I'm lining her eyes with red liner, and now you see I am putting mascara on again. So this is a matte liquid lipstick from LA Girl, and I'm using this to just put that all over her lips, and then later you'll see that I use a NYX brighter red. It's going to be like a brighter red, and that's just to create depth. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. If you like videos like this, give me a like, and yeah guys, I'll see you in a later video. Thanks for watching. Bye.